When coral reefs are stressed under changes in conditions of their environment, their natural beauty is sacrificed. People all over the world travel to admire the beauty of the reefs in the Caribbean, and in 2005, the United States alone lost half of its coral reefs due to bleaching.
So in a healthy coral reef, coral and algae need each other to survive. They have a symbiotic relationship. When the coral gets stressed out due to a number of different factors, the algae leaves the coral, also taking the color with them. Then the coral is left bleached and vulnerable because the algae is its major food source.
Why are coral reefs so important? First, they are a natural protector for shorelines from erosion during storms. They are a natural filtration system for water in the sea, and they are the largest supporter of the fishing industry. Coral reefs are also the home for over 25% of marine life in the ocean.
Everyone's carbon footprint impacts climate change. So the larger your carbon footprint, the greater the atmosphere is affected. Due to a large increase in ocean temperatures due to pollution, this is the biggest contributor to coral bleaching. Extra bright sunlight joined with elevated ocean temperatures increases the risk of coral bleaching. The good news is most of the time corals are able to bounce back from an initial bleaching if it's small.
There are several acts that one can do to help preserve the beauty of these coral reefs. One way is to conserve water use. Less water would mean less runoff and wastewater being dumped into oceans. The less amount of wastewater entering the ocean would stabilize the temperature of the water and have less stress on the corals. Pollution is a large stressor of coral bleaching. If one disposes of trash properly and avoids littering, less trash would migrate into the ocean water to change the dynamic of the water. Even surrounding areas that are greatly affected by coral bleaching, such as Hawaii and Bermuda, are teaming up and have companies donate percentages of their profit to help preserve coral reefs.
Coral reefs are negatively impacted by our actions on Earth. You can do your part by completing little actions every day to help preserve the beauty of these destinations. Simple actions like turning your water off when you brush your teeth, or putting the trash in the proper waste buckets, or recycling can have positive impacts on our coral communities to make sure that we have them for future lifetimes.